5 plus 5 gives us 10. So we have 10 times 5 over 5. 10 times 5 gives us 50. So we have 50 over 5, which equals 10. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. In this expression, in the numerator, we have one addition and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than addition because multiplication comes before addition. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this addition. If we do this addition before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 5 gives us 25. So we have 5 plus 25 over 5. Okay? 5 plus 25 gives us 30. So we have 30 over 5, which equals 6. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 6.